Flossing is a technique that uses dental floss to clean the spaces in between your teeth. It's recommended to floss before brushing your teeth, making sure to measure out a good length, typically 18 inches of the floss, and winding each end around your middle fingers. Using your index or pointer finger and thumb, grasp 1 to 2 inches of the floss and gently glide it in between your teeth in a back and forth motion. Be careful not to snap the floss in between the teeth, since it may cause trauma to the gum tissues. Instead, angle the floss so that it hooks the tooth in a C shape. Next, gently slide the floss up and down the surface of the tooth, making sure it goes slightly below the gum line, then angle it the other way and repeat the steps. Once you're done flossing, brush your teeth thoroughly and finish with a mouthwash.